tayo dito. Patch. Remove natin. Tsaka i-press natin here side. Ayan. Yung side dito na masakit. I-put natin yung patch dito na area. Ayan. Ito yung masakit na part. Ala, mali. Mali. Ayan, dito na area. Kasi dito yung bone natin. So, ito at the back side. I will put this in. Wait. We will put here in the back area. So, this side, very far. This side. So we remove like this. Hi. It's hard. Okay. So it's their side, very pain. Ano? Oh, ito pa side. Napalayo siya. Ito yung pinaka-pain. And so we have there one. So, yan, that is the power of patch. No, excuse me. Bye-bye.